I was about to press play and a song from Shadi just came, Paradise. I'm yours, you're mine, my paradise. This is what I kept hearing since this morning. There is a divine restoration happening from God. You're about to experience a paradise, my friend, because you kept going. I'm referring to someone that has been extremely targeted, attacked their entire life, again because of their mission. And no matter how intense was the attack, you always just find a way. And for this bravery, for this courage, God, the Most High, just want to restore everything that has been stolen from you, from your divine inheritance, from your lineage. Your ancestors are extremely present today. They want you to receive this message. You are God sent. I am God sent today for you, reminding who you are to yourself, just in case you do not know. Again, even if you're isolated. I'm hearing you're a rock star. I got a confirmation on my phone that's so cute and powerful again. You've been heard, your prayer has been heard, and they're being answered. Overnight, magically, got chills when I said that, from nowhere, but it's connected directly to the intensity of your hunger, your determination. Some event really put you down, really, like strongly, massively hit the floor. Some people have crushed you. It's even beyond betrayal. They just wanted to be you. They just wanted to be you. They just wanted to have what you have or about to have. It's a matter of karmics, but not only, it's a matter of they just know what you're about to reap, and they wanted to have this for themselves. But every single attack, no matter where it from, no matter who targeted you, or no matter how the intensity of your trauma, you decided to invest on yourself because you're so dedicated to your mission. You're working on yourself so much. And this coming back is going to shut so many mouths. It's even like funny in a sense, because it's very smooth. It's very organic the way it's coming. It's literally God. And when God is operating, yes, the universe, the Most High, is everything, everywhere. It's the absolute divine, intelligent expansions of consciousness, expansive consciousness. It's magic. It's fairy tale in action, in motion. It's what I'm tapping into is like the intensity of the gift that the Most High has for you, it's literally people are going to drop their mouth on the floor. I'm having this love, like, you see, I'm having this joy, I'm having this is your best revenge, and it's going to be, I'm hearing silence, because the way God is going to move the puzzle pieces to project you to the top in front of everybody, this is going to make noise. But the way it's going to happen, it's going to be 555 on a timer. Prepare for big change. Prepare to move physically, because you're not staying where you are. Magic is happening. The real magic. But actually, I got so many chills. I love myself and I love God, and this is so precious and I'm so thankful. You are the miracle. You are the magic trick. The way you came back from hell is just as big as what God is going to put in your life. And again, it's funny. The way it's going to happen, it's funny. What I'm hearing, it's like, I don't know maybe how to translate this in English, but it's how all the role or the position are going to be switched. People used to throw stuff at yourself, and now people are going to throw stuff at them. You know, just something along those lines. And God, no make mistake, the accountability, the universal accountability is a matter of debt. It's about money, okay? Otherwise, it would have like not called itself the karmic debt, okay? Everything, everyone has to buy their shit sooner or later. Death. It's interesting, death and time. And I got like, I think someone around my go transition to another dimension. And it took much more time. Also, this death is really about your transformation, and you see double red, double like boundaries. Your boundaries are so strong right now that this is the new you. People, they don't know the new you, but they're going to dropping again, dropping. I'm hearing that. Your guides, they're like, finally, it's happening. You see, I keep smiling. Something is funny. Yeah, you're about to receive a message for the work that you've done. I'm hearing grateful, because you're very connected to your divinity, my friend. This is beautiful. You're very connected to nature, to the signs, to the synchronicity. You've been walking alone in this world, catching all the signs. You're so aware, you're so awakened. You've been transitioning from a stormy period to a safe travel. I'm telling you, you're about to move in paradise. And I'm happy for you. This is everything I wish for you. You deserve the ultimate best. If you want to check my website, I offer a very powerful codes, downloads, and activation for your soul, to activate your soul mission, to activate your Kundalini. Because this is where we want to be, to paradise. Transform to the true self and access the highest dimensions. I love you, and until next time, namaste.